Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC, and in today's video I will show you the simple trick you need to know on how to free up storage space automatically on your Windows PC without losing any relevant files on your Windows PC. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come down below right here where you have your startup menu. Right click on it, then go ahead and make sure you settings. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to system right here. Click on system. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to storage right here. Go ahead and click on storage. Now you are here. Then you have storage space on your Windows PC, your hard drive or your SSD. You have app and features, you have desktop, you have temporary files. So everything is going to be found right here. So what you need to do right here under storage sense can automatically free up space by getting rid of files you don't need, like temporary files contained in your recycle bin. What you need to do right here is to make sure you enable this particular button right here. Go ahead and turn on this particular button. So once you turn it on, this will enable temporary file or some of the junk file you do not need in your recycle bin or in your entire Windows PC. It's going to be automatically freed up and deleted completely. And with that, you have freed up more storage space on your Windows PC. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your Windows PC and simple settings in Windows, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you.